Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of Steel and Flesh 2 tutorials. Today we are going to talk about defeating cavalry using a shield formation. You start the battle with a default formation which doesn't have a shield. It's an aggressive pattern, and now all the other patterns that are given in the formation menu, they are all with the shield. There are still many improvements in the game to be made. Uh, First of it is that your units, your infantry, your spearmen, swordsmen, some of them have shields on their back and some of them can equip them in front. That's why I have selected this particular lord in the custom battle, because this one, all of the lords can equip shields like this. Now I'm going to teach you how to use this shield against the enemy cavalry. Let them come. So when the cavalry attacks you, when it strikes your shield, what you do is you see that your men are going to put the shield down. So you go again to the shield menu and you click on the same shield formation again. So what they do is they pick up the shield again, and this time if the horse attacks them again, the cavalry charges them again, they'll have the shields up and the damage they'll have is less. So you have to do this continuously in between fights, so that their damage will be decreased a lot. And this way is very useful when you're fighting cavalry. This will decide whether you win a battle or you lose a battle. So here again you can see that the cavalry has broken through the ranks and they are attacking the people, and some of their shields are down. So again what you have to do is go into formations. Again click on the formation that you want, so they automatically pick up their shields and the charging cavalry will do less damage on them. Again they'll attack, again go to formations, again do the shields, again they will attack. To keep repeating the same in between seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. Keep repeating the formation. So I died in this part, but no issues, because my infantry is overwhelming their cavalry. They are on advantage, and you have to just keep doing the formations again and again. See, they are less in number now. How many are there? There are 37 of us and 14 of them. So basically we are winning. We have the upper hand. You block them and then you attack them. Even though the horses are fast, if you group your infantry together using the formations, they'll attack inside and they'll slow down, and then you can use that to your advantage and you can kill them. If you are playing the single player, there is one big disadvantage that the developers should improve, is that the elite cavalry, they don't use their shields. They just have a two-handed weapon in their hands, like spear or swords or whatever, but a two-handed. So they cannot use their this thing. You need to give at least some of the country's infantry an option to hold their shields in front. Okay, so the next video I'll put is of elite infantry, either spearmen or swordsman or fencer, against elite cavalry, and we'll see what happens. Do they get defeated by the same tactics that I'm using, the formations, or do they win? Okay. So thank you for watching this and hope you like this channel, my lords, and goodbye.